Talehia and I are going to do a HelloFresh box. I've never ever ordered this, but Talehia has.
Yes.
And while we're doing it, we're going to have some Kirkland Pinot Grigio. Happiness is.
Yay.
A screw top. All right. I have wanted to do this for a while.
And lucky for her, she has a friend who has it.
I know, it's so exciting. So let's open it up. Oh, here. Guest.
Thank you.
Special guest.
Second time around. You're so excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
So these are the recipes that I ordered.
Okay, so the first thing you get is this little, what is this?
These are give a friend a free week. So
Look at this. Insulated packing. All right, so tell us about what we have here.
okay, so on top it gives you two little, or however many recipes you order, but it gives you images of what you've ordered. So I did a ginger lime salmon that I'll do on my own, but Tracy and I will do the double cheese and pork sausage flatbreads tonight. So those look really awesome. And then on the back they have the ingredients step by step of how to do it.
Oh, wow. Snappity-doo.
Yeah, those scissors.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we've got the ginger lime salmon and then the double cheese pork sausage flatbread.
Get out.
And then this is gonna be just like your meat's in between two ice packs.
You have got to see this. This is really cool. So when you take those bags out, they're labeled which recipe, and then this is between the ice packs. All right, and in here is the sweet Italian sausage, which I assume is for the flatbread.
Yep.
And the salmon.
Open the bag.
Okay, so it's, I'm like, normally I just rip this open, but we're trying to be all
Oh, nice.
like, ooh, look at this. Okay, so we have flatbread, clearly labeled, and there's nutrition information on the back. Oh my gosh, a little thing of Monterey Jack. A jalapeno, I'm assuming.
Long green pepper.
Long green pepper. Oh my gosh. So this is really cool. As I can't. As we're emptying this out, there is a picture of all the ingredients you're supposed to have. Red onion.
It's very small though.
And mozzarella. That is so neat. Tells us prep time 5 minutes, the total is 30 minutes, and the calories are 900.
And what I also like about this is that you hints, some of them will say, hey, before you start this step, go ahead and preheat your oven, or go ahead and mix these ingredients, just so that when you get there and you're like, oh, I should have did that 10 minutes ago.
Oh my gosh, this is like dummy proof.
It is.
So this is what you have to bust out. Bust out a baking a baking sheet. Baking sheet is what I said. A medium bowl whisk, kosher salt, black pepper, vegetable oil, and butter. So
First step is to prep. So we're going to adjust the racks to the top position and preheat the oven to 450 degrees. How good are you at cutting an onion?
pretty good.
Good. So we need to wash and dry the produce.
Wash and dry it. Okay. The produce.
So we don't have
I'm not
produce.
gonna wash an onion.
Okay.
That just doesn't seem like a thing. I will wash this, and I'm just gonna rinse it. I don't know about all y'all, but I'm not.
Straight from the earth.
Yeah, exactly. God made dirt. Dirt don't hurt.
If I die, God knows why. Yes.
You do have to know how to read.
No.
Pretty much the pictures are like, honestly, truly,
Probably
no
figure it out.
joke. I'm one of those people that does not use directions. I'd be like, that's good, I got it, right? I love that. You don't have to read it.
And I'm sure that's why they put those there
For people like
you.
Like me. I don't want to read the directions. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm a little bit surprised that it wants us to use the whole onion. I don't know how you feel about onion.
You know, I'm okay with not the whole.
Okay.
I mean, how are you?
Yeah, I'm okay with not the whole.
'Cause you
I like
wind up-
them, they give that flavor, but it's like I don't want to eat a whole
No, I don't either.
chunk of onion
Yeah,
in
I
every
don't-
bite.
I kind of have an idea of what it is. How about you? Do you order by picture?
Sorry, struggling really hard to open this.
Sure.
Someone
Scissors.
set it to the side. Someone else's task. Onions and green pepper on a lightly oiled baking sheet, seasoned with salt and pepper.
So lightly oiled baking sheet. Maybe that's a little more than light.
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
1 inch thick, oily surface.
Not the same as the veggies. We don't want to
Okay.
boil them in the oven in oil.
Oh, shit. Yeah, our lightly oiled.
Toss the onions and green pepper.
Toss.
Do a little shimmy.
Let's
Okay.
get too much onion under our nails as we try to
Oh God.
separate.
Yeah, I don't want to carry that around with me all night. It is Friday, by the way. Were you a chef in your past life?
I'm like a gymnast.
What else is really cool if you like to use your phone while cooking? I know I'm sometimes weird about touching raw
Yeah.
things and using my phone, but like if you have the app or something that you can use your voice to talk, the HelloFresh app will actually set timers for the food you're cooking.
Really?
Yeah,
So
you can say HelloFresh, start that.
you can't download that app obviously unless you order this food.
No, you don't have to order. It might make you put in your information.
Oh, okay.
Um,
But you have to have like a subscription to it.
I believe so.
Okay,
Yeah.
it can't just be like, oh, I'm gonna just go on HelloFresh and get their recipes.
Actually, I'm not 100% sure.
Hey Google, HelloFresh recipes.
Sure, here are some recipes.
Oh, see? Cool.
Get out of town.
That's awesome.
The thing is, though, you don't get all the ingredients happily delivered to your door, right?
Right, yeah.
I mean, you gotta go get this stuff. So cheers.
Great. Together.
And still you're my friend, that's awesome. That's very cool. Once the flatbread is toasted, we put all the veggie stuff on there.
Yeah, evenly spread flatbread with sauce, mozzarella.
Oh, they're like little
And then-
pizzas.
yeah.
HelloFresh. What was your favorite thing?
It's kind of super basic, but I've never made like a homemade Parmesan encrusted chicken on my own.
Yeah.
Well, with help.
I promise
This would be the
you.
wine.
It's none of the above. Okay, I didn't know that pizza sauce was tomato paste, butter, and water.
I don't know if it is. I don't know if this is technically pizza, so don't go around saying you know how to make a pizza sauce here.
Don't go to willy-nilly.
Just goes to work like, I know how to make a pizza sauce.
Yeah. Hey, there's another one. Switch it up. Try making... Oh, you already read that one. Well... Okay. I didn't realize. Flatbread is toasted. Mmm. I have a tool for this.
You do?
I do.
It's like Dora or something. Got the tool for this in my backpack.
See, and I love every tool.
Fiesta-y.
Yeah, every tool has to be like colored. I like colorful kitchen items. Got the flatbread toasted. Voila.
So we are gonna do sauce, cheese, meats, veggies.
Okay, so
Okay.
I'll do sauce with my special thing here.
I've got the cheeses prepared. They've only given us enough cheese for what we want to put on here.
Okay.
So
This is splashing a little bit, but I don't think that's gonna hurt anything, right? As my hand gives way. Okay, so.
evenly.
Alright, evenly.
There's some
Let me
dry-
see.
Bad And pools. Not the beach. You want to
Dry
be
patches and pools. Is that one of the tips? Avoid dry patches and
It says evenly.
Oh. And then
Ever so delicate.
ever so. Okay, it's my mom. And she's sending a picture of me when I was little. Oh my god, this looks like a real thing. This looks freaking awesome. That, I turned around and look. That is real. How many?
3 to 5 minutes for a broil.
Oh, broil. Drink the last drop. Oh, okay, look at that. So this was actually for 2 people. So that gave us 2 flatbreads this size. Potentially that could be 4 people.
Yeah. Maybe like an appetizer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then on the picture.
I think we did pretty darn good.
Nailed it.
Yeah, there's like 2 pieces of onion, 2 little peppers, and 2 sausage on each piece, and we have way more.
Yeah, we have way
I
more
think ours
sausage.
is way better. We have a guest taster.
Our normal guest taster.
Call this.
This is double cheese and pork sausage flatbread.
Cheers.
Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
I'll get that. This tastes good. Did you buy this or did you make it?
Okay, so this is where we sell it. This is HelloFresh.
Mm.
This is delivered to the door with all the ingredients, the recipe card, recipe on the back,
This is really good.
for 2 to 4 people. And Talehia's HelloFresh came with give a friend a free week of HelloFresh.
Mm.
Yes, indeed.
Uh-uh.
Yes, indeed. Everything you need is in there. The exact amount of everything. Talehia, how much does this cost? Per.
So I think probably like 32. Like very quality ingredients. They kind of sit on your palate. Yes, I said palate.
Mm.
Your door. Love that.
Ouch, hot.
And that goes with the convenience. This didn't take very long. It's super good, so I think that helps with the convenience of, oh, I have to go to the grocery store.
Now we
Oh.
were videoing and drinking and all those things, but if we came here, if you came home and made this, you'd be in and out and done.
That's true. In 30 minutes.
Yeah, we just were having fun with it, so
Can't cut it.
hope you were having fun too. So
And we will see you next time.
thanks for watching.
Bye.
Please subscribe.